Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can enroll in Google's digital marketing course. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to this part of Google's website, and from here we can actually get free digital skills training. So we just want to click this button that says what can we help you with, and from here it will ask if we're trying to grow our career or business. So you just want to answer whichever one's applicable to you. I'm just going to choose grow my business. And then in terms of what we'd like to do, since we're trying to enroll in the Google's digital marketing course, we're going to click on digital marketing and then click let's go. So when we click on that, here we can see the full library of online courses and tools. These ones at the top are actually online events. So if you wanted to learn about some of this stuff, you can enroll in some of these live events, but we're actually looking for courses. So we're going to scroll down a bit. So when we get down to the ones that look like this, these are actually the courses. So from here, we just want to choose whichever one we are interested in. So for example, here's one for Google's digital marketing and e-commerce certificate. So this is a course all about digital marketing and e-commerce. So here's where it says a bit about it. It's 6 months at 10 hours a week. It's a flexible schedule so you can learn at your own pace. And you can scroll down to see what you actually will learn and everything else about it. And then when you're happy and you want to enroll, you can go ahead and click enroll for free. And it also starts today because October 11th is today for me. And after you do that, you would have successfully enrolled in the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. Now, of course, you can come back to this page and look at any more of these and basically do a course on whatever one you're interested in. And the way in which you can find this page is just by searching Google Digital Marketing course, and you should be brought to that original page that I was on at the start. So that's how you can enroll in Google's digital marketing course. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.